In this quick tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to create a new project in CapCut. So there's really two ways to do this. One is if you're in CapCut's main menu and dashboard, or two, if you're already inside a project. So if you are on CapCut's dashboard, you can navigate to the Home section. Go ahead and click New Project. Now this is automatically going to create a new project and your work is going to be saved. So if you start importing footage, or images and start working on a project, assuming you're connected to the internet, everything's automatically going to be saved. Now let's say you're already in a project like this and you want to create a new project to start working on, whether you have created some errors or you want to save your work and just create a new project. You're going to come up to the menu, come up to File, and then click New Project. Now this is going to say, are you sure you want to create a new project? And notice that your current project is going to automatically be saved. So you can press OK, and then it will create a brand new project timeline. If at any point you want to navigate back to your home, you want to come down to Menu and click Back to Home Page. Now this is going to take you to all of your saved projects. You'll be able to see that we have both of the projects that we opened here, and that's how you go ahead and create a new project in CapCut. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. We record all kinds of simple, quick tutorials without the fluff.